Using this double repair face moisturizer mostly for the SPF 30 factor, and I just thought, it looks like it's gonna be a good one, and sure enough it really is. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of a closer look. And what I'm really liking about this is, you know, I got it mostly for the fact that there's SPF 30 in it, but it's such a nice moisturizer. So I was so surprised after using it at how great my skin felt, how well moisturized, and it's not, a lot of the SPFs that I've used on my face were really oily and my makeup didn't set well on them or anything like that. And this for me isn't the case with this. It's really, really, really lovely. I love it so much. It feels extra luxurious and soft and hydrating. I feel like my skin just feels really plump, and of course the SPF is the reason I came. So this is I'm really excited about this. This stuff is awesome. It feels so good.